Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we off this setting. Friends, you can see guys in your phone guys you have this setting. So a super power saving mode setting guys you want to off guys, we call it super power saving mode setting. So how can you off in this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to off this setting, battery super power saving mode setting. Friends, right side this icon and left side guys you can see in your oppo phone. So you will have to click on this left side icon, tap here. Friends, you can see exit super power saving mode and cancel option. So you will have to click on this first option guys, exit, tap here. Then guys your super power saving mode will off and guys you can use, you can operate your phone guys. You can see super power saving mode is off. So like that guys, you can off your super power saving mode in your oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye guys.